Today I'm going to be talking about information literacy, and given the definition that we were given in this assignment, information literacy includes the ability to identify, find, evaluate, and use information effectively. So I think it's important for us to show our students where to find important information, how to check and see if something is credible or not, and how to look for scholarly articles that have been peer-reviewed and been through a process so they can't give false information. I think a key skill that students build when they learn how to do this and how to be literate when finding for information is critical thinking, because they have to establish in their minds what works and what doesn't work, and how to tell whether something is real information or fake information, and how to find sites that are reliable and show other peers how to do the same. And it also shows that they are putting a lot of effort into their assignments. And so I think that they should be rewarded for that. And I think it's really an important skill for them to have, especially since as a high school teacher, our job is to prepare students for college. And this is something that college professors really preach about, is having credible sources and giving us accurate information. And so it's important for them to build those skills in high school so they have them in their later life when they really need them. Thank you.